Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a footstool cover on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that gives uh, the consumer product directly from China, and it gives a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here I will just go to temu.com and I will directly search for the footstool cover. So here we can see, so I will be going with this one, looking good. It will cost you $5.61. Okay, so here I will just solve this security question, and here we can see, so it's come with a different color: beige, black, brown, coffee, and different colors. So here we need to scroll down and we can see some great reviews also here. If you see down after the shop name, you have a detail, so you can see in more detail. So basically this material is 92% polyester and 8% is our spandex, and we can see other details also. So you can see it's a pattern type of cloth. Here we can see the dimensions also and other things. So to buy, you have to first click on add to cart, then click on the buy, then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a footstool cover on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save your money.